How to check if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you some ways on how you can check if someone blocked you on Snapchat. There are a couple of ways that will help you to find out if that user has blocked you on Snapchat or not. So number one step is go to your profile and then scroll down and you can see the option friends. Go to my friends and search for that person. After typing that person's name, if that person is not available after searching it, then most likely that person has blocked you. Another way of finding out is go to the search bar and search for that person. And after searching that person name, if that person doesn't appear, that is also one of the way you can find out if that person has blocked you on Snapchat or not. Or the very next way is go to that person's chat and see if the chats have disappeared or not. That also tells you if that person has blocked you on Snapchat or not. And the very last way is to check it from another account if that person has blocked you or not. Just ask one of your friends if that person is available on Snapchat or not. If that person is available on Snapchat and he is not friends with you, that person has likely blocked you. So in this way, you can check if someone has blocked you on Snapchat or not. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video.